going to its next cycle. You're washing your baby clothes.
They're actually washing my doll clothes.
Oh, wait.
Drink, we can take everything.
Oh, that's right.
You guys want some
When the
chocolate?
button's done,
Alright, so we'll get
it means it's.
a chocolate.
Hey, wait. I gotta get the little tube, the little
Take it out.
the little tube from the back so it drains.
Alright,
And I've got this little.
pick the drink.
Oh, what spot?
Look, see the water's draining. Look, like a real washer, like when your mom washes.
Yeah, except the tube though.
Look, all the water came out. See?
Ooh, little spot that they missed. It's really
Let's
blue.
make sure we get it all out. Did we get it all out? Okay.
Yep.
Acqua che fa questo, il rumore dell'acqua, e poi c'è alla fine il scarico dell'acqua,
Cos'è lo scarico dell'acqua?
perché poi qua
Sì.
Honestly, this is the most disappointing thing I've ever bought in my whole entire life. The batteries are just for this to light up, and in the video and the reviews, it made it seem like it, you know, washes on its own. No, you have to do this shit. Like, what? And this door doesn't even close all the way, no matter how much you push it. It's just, that is whack. A little latch, whack. It leaks out the front, it leaks out of there. It's just a terrible buy. Y también corre rápido.